On your embroidery journey, you are bound to make mistakes or do areas of stitching that you think, oh gosh, I think I want to redo that. So whilst I want you to focus on progress over perfection, sometimes you might want to rewind a bit of stitching and start again. So let me show you how you can do that. So what I want you to do is take your needle off your thread. Oh my gosh, I know that means you're going to need to rethread it later, but that'll be okay. So then just get the blunt end of your needle and just tuck it under the previous stitch. Just gently pull up and we've just popped that stitch out. So what you can do is you can work your way along the line until you get back to the point where you want to start stitching again. Hopefully it's not too far. So in this case, my thread's not knotted. I haven't got into a tangle. I'm just wanting to redo an area of stitching. So this option works well in that case. And I'll just take that one out as well. And now I can rethread my needle and then I can go along and restitch that part. And if you've got little holes in your fabric, they probably won't be noticeable, but you can just rub over them with the blunt end of your needle and that just closes up the weave of the fabric. So yes, that's how you can sneakily unwind some stitching in order to redo it.